asunto-osakeyhtiö Pohjois-Munkkirinne.
Yeah, this is very amazing also today. Is somebody coming? No, on the 20th of March 2023 we have Ulvilantie, Ulvilantie, 19 small letter A, Stekis B, the last one to be filmed here in this residential building. We have filmed the Stekis CNC here as well. It's in Munkkivuori in Munkshöjden, close to Munkkivuori Munksnäs here in Helsinki, for så som man gör Finland. And beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if Stekis C has the original one, but A has it also. I tried it there. It was built in 1957, turned 65 is on last year, 2022, and the symbol says 6810 with 8 first. And this has 3 lights. It's going to be spectated next year, 2024, installation finish here, so it should be also.
Date by Lift Control Finland, maintained by Backup Keskus.
Yeah. This one has very interesting sounds.
Yeah.
Maybe I could have left the door open for field trans, but I forgot.
Yeah.
But I think somebody would have noticed it and locked it anyway later.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. But he can try wait here later.
Yeah.
If he wants to.
Yeah.
Was this the third ride?
Yeah,
I think so too. That's it, thank you very much for watching. And please watch the Lexus AMV.
That's